All right. Last time we learned about what? What form is it? Huh? Standard form, right? So that's what we learned last time. Standard form. It is standard form. Standard form when you see ax squared plus bx plus c. Today, what form you want to learn? Project form. Okay, that's mean that show me that you actually wrote down the topic, lesson topic. Form B, graphing quadratic in vertex form. Okay, we're gonna be looking like this. A. So this is vertex form. Right. Can someone tell me what is the main difference? What is the obvious sign from standard form and vertex form? All right, Jose. You have parentheses. Very good. On the vertex form, you see the parentheses. Okay. On the standard form, you don't see the parentheses. Yeah. 1 point for Jose. Thank you, Melanie. Oh, always not one for you. Yeah. Every day. All right. That's the reason why. It's the reason why the name is the vertex form. Okay, you will see why. On the standard form. Oh, let's just run up first. This is one no parenthesis. This is the sign that you know what form it is. So standard form, no parenthesis. Vertex form, there's parenthesis. Okay. All right. On the standard form, how can you find the vertex? Who remember? How can you find the vertex? All right, Amy. Very good. So X vertex is negative mu and 2a. And then how can you find Y vertex? You will plug it in, right? So 1 point for Amy, 1 point for Matthew. Plug in, define Y vertex. So that's quite a lot. Not a lot, but actually you need to calculate, you need to plug it in number, and then you need to plug it in back to quantify Y. That's standard form. Vertex form a lot better. That's why the name is vertex form. You can tell right away the vertex. Okay? Watch this. Your vertex. What are the letters you're dealing with here? On the standard, you have A, B, C. On the vertex, what do you have? A, and H, and K. Okay, very good. The vertex, watch this. The vertex is going to be exactly H, K. There's no calculation. There's no formula to do. There's no plugging into it to be done. So that's why the name is vertex form, because you can tell the vertex right away. Okay? But be aware of this. The sign here is negative. Okay? The vertex is only H. So that means when you take out the H, you need to switch the sign. Just write this. Switch the sign of the number inside. Just write down which I will explain to you what is it. Okay? Switch the sign of the number inside H. All right. The second. If I give you a yes, right. If I give you this, what is the vertex? 3. Raise your hand so we get some. 3. That's 3.
Wait, 3 and X. 3, 3, 2? 3, 2?
3, 2, but it's still not correct. 3, 2. If you give your raise your hand, you should do. Okay. That's me. Very good. Negative 3, 2. That's my point. Okay, 1 point for adjustment. Remember, you need to switch the number inside parentheses. Okay, that's the reason why you have a negative right here. Negative because you always need to take a different sign out of the number inside parentheses. For example, like here, we have positive 3. The vertex actually is negative 3, not 3. Okay. So make sure you don't make this mistake because last year it's another student making mistake. They forgot to switch the sign. So make sure you're not the one of them. Okay. So you see that very easy, right? Very easy. You don't need to calculate. You need to memorize any formula. You can tell the vertex right away. Let's do one more time. Let's do one more to make sure that you got this. How about x minus 1 2 square plus 7? All right. What is the vertex over here? What is the vertex? Anyone else? All right. Yeah. Very good. One more finally. Positive 1/2 and 7. Yeah. Did you see that that is switch the sign of this? It's negative 1/2, but when you take it out, it's going to be positive 1/2. Yeah. Does it make sense? Always with the sign, okay? Today's lesson is easier than the last lesson. The last lessons, you need to calculate for the vertex. Today, you have a vertex already. And the rest of the steps is the same. The rest is the same. Can you check how many steps we have for the standard form? How many steps? Check in your notebook. How many steps last time? How many steps? 7, right? Do you see how many steps right here? Or is 6? Because you don't need to calculate the vertex. The vertex you can tell right away. That's better, right? Right. Let's take 5 minutes to write this down. The step by step. Let's take 5 minutes to write out the step by step. Okay? Then we go to do a sample. Only 5 samples. Okay, let's do the sample. Okay, sample 1. On the standard form, you need to identify A, B, C. Same thing. On the vertex form, you should need to identify A, H, K. All right, Jose, what's the A? Huh? 2. Come on. 2. 1. Then when there's no number, that's the invisible one. A is the number in the front. And this is 1. Remember, y equals to A x minus h square plus k. Okay? A is the number in the front. All right, what is h? Come on. Anna. H is the number in here. Okay? H is the number in some parentheses. Like 2. But remember, if you took the note, you always need to switch the number in some parentheses. Okay, so it's the negative 2. What is k then? Anna, this is very good. 3. Very good. 1.5. Are we good on identify A, H, and K? Yes? It's obviously it's already in there. A, H, and K. That's where they are. Same thing with the standard form. You need to also identify determine is it up or down? Is it up or down? Oh, how do you know? Right, that's the positive, right? So that's upward. Right? So that means also the vertex is going to be a zero. You don't need to, yeah, you don't need to do the minimum. I don't want you to get a lot. So, oh, vertex. What is the vertex? All right, Kylie, if you finished it, you can get one. Vertex. What is vertex? Negative 2. Very good. Negative 2. Right. This is your name, right? This is your name, right, Kylie? Yeah. Negative 2. As long as you have the vertex, you can what? Graph. Very good. Same thing with last lesson. So now if you have the vertex, you can start roughing right away. Like consider that as a mantra. That you know the vertex, you can start roughing. Because vertex is critical information. If you know it, it's good. You can start roughing right away. So -2 and -3 right here. And I draw the rest. So basically, the rest is the same. Except one thing on here, I'll talk about this. Okay? Just one thing different. All right. So I know it's gonna be upward. It's gonna be look like this or this, but I don't know how big it's gonna be, right? I need one more point. How do I want one more point? What do I want one more point? T table. All right. Here is the difference. Okay. When you pay attention here, very pay attention. On the standard form, what is the best number?
One.
Not one. Zero. In on the standard form, right? Did I write on the standard form best is x equal to 0? Yeah, that is the 0. But in vertex form, 0 is not the best. I will tell you why. Now look at this. If you have a 0 over here, don't write it, don't write. So if you have 0 over here, you have 0 plus 2 square minus 3. So you have something square minus 3. You cannot see why in this example. Let's say if I give you something like this, just 9, just 9 square minus 3. Okay. If you plug in 0, just for example, if you plug in 0, what do you have? Y equal to 0 plus 9 square minus 3. That square is 81. That's a really big number, right? Again, dealing with big number or negative number is not gonna good because sometimes you can make a mistake when you do a test. There's a lot of factor that your brain can only perform function 60%. Yeah, on doing the test. Okay. It's an example. Yeah, it's an example. Example showing you why x equal to 0 is not good. Okay. The best is h plus 1. So here's a question for you. I asked the question on the last two period 2, period 4. None of you can answer this. Okay, let's see if you can answer it. Okay? Then you want to beat the name. All right. Why x plus 1 is good? I'm gonna do a sample here. Tell me why is it good. So 1, x plus 1. What is h? What is h here? -2. What is the -2 plus 1? -1. Okay. So h plus 1. I'll just show you what do I do. H plus 1. So that's -1. So here. What in here? I have -1 plus 2 square minus 3. -2 plus -1 plus 2 is 0. -1 plus 2. 1. No scanning. 1 square is 1. 1 minus 3 is -2. Always. Okay, let me just tell you. Always. If you choose this, you always get 1 out from here. Then next question asks you why. So I already give you the hint. The reason why you chose h plus 1, because if you plug it in h plus 1, you always get out 1 from this square. Why? Let's see if you can fit the origin periods. Just want to tell you why. But the question is why if I plug it in h plus 1, I always get this one inside the square, then will be equal to 1, no matter what. No matter what number is this.
Is it just that specific equation or every equation?
All the equation.
So
All the equation. You are plugging h plus 1, depending on what h on that equation. If you are plugging h plus 1, I always get out of 1. Why? Year 2 didn't get it. Year 4 they almost get this. They just say something, but almost, but not done. Let's see if you can get it. What's it? Huh? What about 9? Okay. Any idea? I say the question again, why we always get out 1 from the square? This one over be 1. I don't need to calculate it. If I chose h plus Heidi. No, any idea. Just give me any idea. Just say it. Just say it. Why? Why do we get one? But yeah, I know one and everything. That's the reason why we chose this because you make it easier, right? No, just this is just okay. It's good. Any other? Okay, I think I'm receiving. Like what? Right, right. So H is 2. Oh no, H is negative 2. So they didn't get that question like that. So what? I don't know. What I'm getting here is that they want to choose the X equal to H plus 1. So equal to, they want to calculate what the number is this. What is H? H is negative 2, right? You just add 1. So negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. That's going to be the best choice. And the reason why, because you always get 1 out. You're not going to get big number like this. You always get 1 out. What is the reason? Why that happens? So, you raise your hand? Why? Yeah, I think you all got this. If you want time anything is this and one square is 1. Yes, that's the benefit. But why this happen? That's one thing I want to ask. Why does it happen? Look at the original one in general. What happened if you plug in H plus 1? That's the big thing. You plug in Alison. Subtract what? You're almost there. Subtract what? Huh? X or H? You sure? But you almost there. You're almost there. Because of the switch. Switch? So it's a positive. Not really. What? Exactly. Very good. That's exactly what it is. Did you hear what Mitra says? Okay, let's see from Mitra 1 1. I'm gonna tell you what. Let's look at it. You will see. A, right? X. Now I'm looking at X plus 1 over here. Let's see what happens. X plus 1. And then copy everything the same. Right? Copy everything the same. You see what happening over here? What happened? Which one? It's canceling out the H, right? Like you just said, they subtract the H. So no more H over here. No more H. You're going to have left 1 square, and 1 square is just 1, right? So that's the reason why. That's the reason why X minus 1 is the best, because they always give you out the 1. You already calculated. If you choose all the number, for example, if you choose 0, you're going to have big number out, right? 9, for example, if this is example 9 square 81. Very good, very good. About this. So you can write that the reason we can write this, but if you don't know, it's fine. So you know why? You know why X plus 1 is a good one? Yeah? Okay. Very good. Very good. So Vertex is here. So my actual number is -1 and -2. -1 right here, -2 right here. Then I'm going to reflect same thing. The rest is the same as standard form. I'll reflect this one over here. Here. That's it. That's my graph. And label them again. This is the habit to practice. Like you always have the name, right? So if you grab something, give it a name. Is it good? Yeah? Yes? All right, let's do some survey from I just did you made a thumbs up. Did you understand it? If this you kind of confusing and this one you don't understand at all, just show me how we doing so far. Raise your hand. Give me a sign. How about it? Okay, all right. So I think because this one is kind of confusing, again, technically you can use any number. Okay, don't get me wrong. You can use any number. You can use 0, you can use 1, you can use 2, any number. It's fine. I'm just telling you what number is the best. You don't need to know this. You don't need to know this. If you know this, it's good for you. But if you don't, just plug in any number. Okay? Don't worry about this. And the rest of this, It's just exactly the same with standard form. It's even better because in the vertex form like this, you can tell right away what is the vertex is, right? So this one should be easier than the standard form. Okay, let's do more, and you will get a hang of it. Can I erase this? Yeah. So I keep this. Right. Symbols Q. So pay attention here. If you for those who are confusing, pay attention here. The only difference is the AHK. They tell you right away the vertex is actually better. Okay. We don't need to talk about this. Again, if you get this, it's good. If you don't get it, don't worry. You can choose any point. You can choose 0 as well. You can choose 1. You can choose -1, whatever it is. Okay. All right. Second example. Can someone help me with the AHK? What is A? 1. All right, Fernando, go ahead. 1. What is H? You wanna get the number inside, it's the sign. Positive. Very good. What is K? 0. You don't see anything right here, right? That's 0. Very good. So what is the vertex? One more thing. What is the vertex? Fernando, what is the vertex? H and K, right there. H and K. 0. See? This one even easier than a standard form, is it? Standard form, you need to calculate negative b over 2a, and then calculate back to the equation to find y. This one can tell right away. That's 5-0. And now the rest is the same with the standard form. Yeah? If you confuse this, I think you need to go back to the standard form. Maybe something on the standard form confused you. So this is exactly the same. It's even better, shorter. Okay? Is it up and up? Oh, 1 point. Is it up and down? Up and up, right? 1 is positive, so up and up, upward. So that's again, this is for you to check. If you brought up and up, and then later on you brush it downward, that means something wrong. This is for your preference. Check the word. Okay. All right. As long as you know the vertex, you can. Huh? Right. If you know the vertex, you can start wrap right away. Okay. 5-0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-0 is right there. Again, draw the AOS as well. This is the AOS axis of symmetry. Okay. What point should I choose? Again, you can choose any point. You can choose 0. You can choose 1. You can choose 5. Any number. Okay. But what is the best? H plus 1. What is H plus 1? What is H over here? H is 5. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Why 6 is the best? I don't need to even calculate this. I know inside the square there will be 1. So I know, oh, there's nothing inside outside, right? So I know there's only 1. I don't even need to calculate this. If you don't trust me, you can put it in 5. X 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 square is 1. Oh, I like that. I like the moment. Moment. Do you know why we chose this number? Yeah. Okay. If you don't understand, you don't get this, don't worry. Just choose any one you like. You can even choose 0. You're gonna get big number, but it's fine. Whatever plug in now is 0. So 0 minus 5 squared. You're gonna have -5 squared. What is the -5 squared? 25, right? So you have the point 0.25. Fine. Just plug in this point. I just show you the better way, the shorter way, and when you do it with the small number, it's better. It's the tendency to make a mistake, you minimize it. So h is 5. H plus 1 is 5 plus 1. So h squared is 5 plus 1. And 5 plus 1 is 6. That's why I put it right here. You understand? Yeah? Question? Huh? Oh. Remember when you take out the number inside? Yeah. It's with the sign. Yes, very good. Any question? Because that's going to help me know where you confuse. Okay. Are we good here? Are we on the same page? Are you with me? Yeah? Yes, okay, good. 6, 1. Now just put it in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 1. Okay, so my point is right here. Same thing, repeat over here. I have this second point. Wrap it. That's it. Label them. How long does it take? I think it's 2 minutes. Right away, HK, vertex. And you know vertex, wrap, right away, 511, 2 minutes. Yeah? Remember, you need to have a wrap, okay? A couple of you didn't see you wrap it on the homework because you just do the calculation. But remember, they ask you to wrap the equation. So you need to wrap, you need to give the wrap, okay? Are we good? Is it better? Can you give me the survey again? I hope I can do some, change something. All right, count 1, 2, 3. Show me. It's confusing. You don't understand. This is good. You understand it now. All right. Okay. Okay. Which one? This one? Oh, you plugged it in. Plugged it in 6. So yeah, I have 6. X equal to 6, right? So I'm gonna plug it in over here. So 6 minus 5 squared. What is 6 minus 5? 1. 1 squared. What is 1 squared? 1. Yes, that's how we get 1. Yeah. Very good. Very good. Have you any question? Any more question? Okay, so how did you get 6? 6 is because I calculate what is h plus 1. My h right here is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay. That's the purpose why I chose h plus 1. Because by doing this, I always get 1 out of the square right here. I always, I purposely do it. Yeah. Yes? Okay, can I erase this? Yeah? If you don't, you can review the recording, okay? If you want to catching up something you missing. Okay, example 3. If you keep going with the speed, I think you're gonna done early. You have some time left. All right, Matron. A is -1. Very good. There is visible one right here. If you don't see any number, okay? What is H? -4. Remember, you split the sign and number inside right here. And K, 3. You don't need to switch for the K. Whatever it is, copy it. Okay, what is the vertex? And 3. Very good. Okay. You only identify the H and K. That is the vertex. And when you're missing this. It's up and up and up, up and down. Down because A is negative. Very good. Now yours. Yeah, one more for Richard. When you know the vertex, you can start graphing. Very good. -4 and 3. -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3, 1, 2, 3. So I'm right here. Okay, that's the vertex. When I know the vertex, I can start to the AOS as well. That's AOS. Okay. Now what is the best one for my extra point? What is the best point right here? Negative. Why is -3? Right. H is -4. So x plus 1 is going to be -4 plus 1, and that is -3. I know for sure it's all going to be 1. I don't need to calculate it. But if you don't trust me, you can calculate the pi. I know for sure it's going to be 1. So I have the negative on the front, -1 plus 3. That's going to be 2. Yeah. If you don't see it right away, you can just look at it. -3 right here. -3 plus 4 is 1. 1 square is 1. 1 times -1 is -1. Plus 3 is -2. So plug it in. All right, because I know for sure this square going to be 1. That's why I can just do it faster. Yeah? It just okay, -3. If you can't see, okay, let me just write. So you get y got nothing. -3 plus 4 squared plus 3. And that is 1. So -1 times 1 squared. 1 squared is just 1. So -1 plus 3, that is 2. Okay. You don't know where I got this from. But again, I know for sure this whole thing square gonna be 1. Every time. Every time I choose this. All right, so I have -3, 2, -3 and 2 right here. With bracket, 1 distance, 1, 1, to get the same height as this. Grab this, no, boom, like that. Yeah? Okay, here one more question. Any question, I think? Oh, I think the period 4 got this, period 2 didn't get it. Okay, here my question. Let's see if you can hit them again. The vertex form is this, right? The vertex form is this. Right? Here's your previous question. Does it remind you anything? Does it look familiar? Does it remind you about anything? Huh? What is that? All right, my question is this. Again, this question, period 2 didn't get this. Period 4 is 1 student got this. The question is, does it remind you any lessons? Does it look familiar? It is. If it does ring any bell, that means you did pay attention. If it doesn't ring any bell to you, you didn't pay attention on the lessons. Does it look familiar first? Does it look familiar? Yeah. Where did we see it before? We already saw it before. Where is this? What lesson? Any? Any? What's that? Hey, just give me any idea. Yeah, any idea? Yeah, what's that? Is that the same answer with you? Oh, yes. The graph transformation. If you look at the lesson about this, the note about that lesson, they look the same. Minus h plus k. So, that's the reason why I taught that lesson before this. Because there also another way to graph this by moving on down. By graph transformation. 1.4 grouping. So graph transformation. Okay, graph transformation. Okay, let's do this. If you do a graph transformation, you don't need to do this whole thing. Okay, you just need to move. But be careful. There's a downside for that. There's something that you cannot do with the graph transformation. I will tell you. All right, I want to keep this so we can compare. Okay. Do you remember on the test? Do you remember on the last test? I give you a y equal to x squared, the parent function. You look like this. Do you remember this on the test? Okay, can someone tell me what kind of move right here? What transformation is this? Do you remember? Should I give you another pop quiz about transformation? Oh, now all of a sudden you all like, huh? Well, you hear the pop quiz. What kind of move is this? Right, Alexa. Very good. Left, 5, 4. What else? What else? What else? Alexa, what else? What else? Flip over. Very good. Flip over x, the negative in the front. Okay, last one. So you left by 4, you flip already. What is this? Huh? Up by 3. Up by 3. Yeah? Do you remember this? You still remember this? Yeah? Okay. Does it matter if I do which one first? Yes, I need to do flip first. Okay, so I flip this one first. This is a parent function. They call parent function. Because you're gonna start doing that transformation on here. Okay. All right, I'm gonna flip first. After I flip, it's gonna be like this, right? Now left 4 of 3. So just to That's why your vertex is -4, 3. Because you move to the left by 4, you move by 3. Yeah, see that? I choose another reference point. Left 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. 1, 2, 3. Left 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So this is kind of, they look the same, just a different measurement. All right. So again, this is traditional way. They can wrap everything. This information only work. I will write down. Question? Yeah. You can do both. You can do this one or this one. It's either way. Huh? Oh, one minutes not be here. Yeah, Kelly. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Hi, Kelly. See you next day. That's the number right here. Yeah. No. So again, as long as you get the correct answer, it doesn't matter what method you use. You can use the traditional way, this one that work for everything, or you use the rapture information. This one sometimes doesn't look correct if you don't do really, really carefully. Also, there is a downside of this. So take a note right here. Write a note. Only use rapture information to write this one down. It's very important. This is the downside of this method. Only use rapture information when a equal to 1. Okay? When a equal to 1. If a is not 1, you cannot use it. No, not like you cannot use this, but your route gonna not gonna look correctly. Do you remember when we do route transformation, if you have some number on the front like 2 or 3, that means you're shrinking, right? When you're shrinking, I remember some of you asked me, oh, do we need to know how much we're shrinking or how much we're stretching? The transformation, we don't know. We don't know exactly how much they're shrinking. We just know they're shrinking. But that's the downside of the transformation. So if you have some number on the front, like a is not 1, then you need to do a traditional way. Okay? Yeah, question. No, you don't have to. This is just showing you the faster way or something. Like you don't need to find a vertex. You just need to move this. Okay. But again, you can just use this one. I'm just showing you the way to the second way because some of the teacher they're teaching this one as well. So I want you to learn both of them. This one may be faster for some examples. You can move left or right or down, right? You don't need to find the vertex. But some example, this one not gonna good. Okay. Yeah, 1 point for me, though. Any other question? Any other? Oh, one more for Adam as well. Yes, he asked about the motor plan. Any other question? Are we good? So the downside for route information is you can only do this information when a equals to 1, like this. What can you not do with the route information is another example. If you have something for the front. Right? A is not 1, right? What is A over here? A is -2. Yes, A is not 1. So that you cannot use the route information. Okay? Wait a second. Got it? Okay. Right, symbol 4. Again, can we use route information? No, because A is not 1. The A is here not 1. You can only do it when you don't have A. A is 1. So now you need to. Oh, this symbol very interesting. What form is this? Huh? What form is this? Do you see parentheses? So it's also the standard form. Standard form. Okay, but Okay, standard form and vertex form. Which one is better? Vertex is better. Vertex, you don't need to write a formula. You don't need to plug it in, right? Vertex is better. Can you convert this into vertex? Okay, convert it into vertex. Give me 1 point. Can you rewrite them in the way that it looks like a vertex form? All right, we check what I try. Tell me what to write. If you say it correctly and we write it, if I don't write it, then it's not correct. Then we can the other thing. One try. I like one try. Rewrite this one to make it look like vertex. All right, Amy? No. Negative. So if I didn't write it, that's me not correct. All right, Adam? Negative. Going. Up. Next. Zero. Yeah. Yeah. Do you agree? Does it look like vertex form now? Now? Yes? Right. So what is your age? Very good. One more one. What is your age? A is? A2. What is age? Huh? 2. Age. Zero. A is? What is the reason why we can convert this? Why we can convert this? What's special about this? That we can rewrite this into vertex form. Not all of them can rewrite like this. But what's special about this? Because this one, huh? No, just say it, don't worry. Again, there's no wrong answer. There's a problem thinking, okay? Because, what do you say? Not really, but that's it. What's good? It's have no X, right? X, yeah? Do you want doesn't have X, you see that? Do you want doesn't have X? That's why you can rewrite it. If you have something like this, can you rewrite it as vertex? No. Oh, right? You have X right here. I cannot write something like square like this. Only because this one doesn't have X. Very good. Is it up or down, up and up? Very good. Negative here, downward. Oh, we 1 point for ID. No, we tried this one X. Yeah, 1 point for each. Is someone out? Someone out there? Someone sitting there? Oh, she left. Okay. All right. What is the vertex here? 0, 7. See? I think this is easier. The vertex is easier than standard, right? Okay. As long as I have the vertex, it can start graphing. Very good. 0, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right here. It's my vertex. So my AOS is sort of like past this. AOS. Okay. All right. What is? So I'm gonna find one more point by 3. What is the number? Should I put it here? What number? What number? Belen, what number should I put it here? All right. Thank you, Alexa. Yes, 1 because h is 0, so h plus 1 is 0 plus 1. Yeah. H plus 1. That's the best one. Yeah. I'm gonna write for you. H plus 1 and h is 0, so 0 plus 1. So the best number is 1. Because I know for sure this is going to be 1. I have negative 2 plus 7, and that is 5. Okay, my extra point is 1, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 right here. I'll reflect over here, over the AOS, right here, and label it. Yeah? Yes? Any question? Ask me any question. I love answering questions. If you have a question, let me know where you're confused. And again, we learn as a team. There's no silly question. Are we good? Any question? What's up? What's up? Adam, ask me. H plus 1 is H is 0. Did you got that? So, yeah, let's look at it. Let's show me one by one. If you plug it in here, plug it in here. That is the same though. What you do? This one? Yeah, this is -2. X is 1, so I plug it in 1. Minus 2. Oh, maybe you got 1 squared in 2. Did you get 1 squared 2? Yeah. 1 squared is 1. Yeah. So there we go. We found an error. -2 times 1 squared plus 7. 1 squared is 1. Remember, okay? So that is -2 plus 7. That is 5. Okay. How we good? You found your message yet? 1 squared is 1, not 2. All right, can I erase this? Yes? Just 2 more, that's it. Just 2 more. There always a reason behind each example. So it's not like I'm do the same type like multiple times. But each of them has some reason. All right, number 5. All right. What is A? What is H? And what is K? Ramon? H is? K is? Very good. Ramon, what is the vertex? Very good. 1 mark for Ramon. Very good. Got this. Is it up and down or up and up? Up. Up because positive. Good. Let's give it one another point. Very good. Okay, now because I have the vertex, I can wrap it by the way. -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, -3, 1, 2, 3. That's the point. And then the AOS, that's the point. Okay. This is the AOS. All right, here you will see the reason I chose this assemble because now this is the express point structure. Always the one submitted basic. No, it's just because you have a function. You will see. Don't write this, but I'm showing you. What if I chose h plus 1? Okay. What if h plus 1? H is okay, h is -4, right? -4 plus 1 is 5. -3. Okay. What happened here? I plug in -3. I plug in -3 here. So 1 over 3, -3 plus 4 square over 3. This 1 over 1 again. So h plus 1 is 1 over 1. So again, this one. Oh, you see that? You want to have a fraction. So it's going to be 1 over 3 minus 3 over 3, or 9 over 3, and negative 8 over 3. I know maybe some of you can work with the fraction, work very well. But again, I'm showing you the way to make less mistake and to make your life easier. This is not a good one. Of course, we have the fraction. So what you should do when you have the fraction on outside like this. Here is a key. Once you make this one to become this number up here over here, so that they can divide it. You have no more fraction. Do you know what I mean? What I mean is you want to choose wisely what number of the extras. This one is going to be up here, this number, so that you can cancel out. Divide it. Right? You can make this one some number divided by 3. Okay? What is that number? 1, if you break in 1 right here, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 squared is 25. Oh, 25 cannot divide by 2. What else? So keep talking. If I get the correct number, I will tell you. What other number? Yeah. 5, okay. 5, okay, good, good. 5 plus 4 is 9, right? 9 can divide by 3, yes? Yes? So that's a good one, but that's really big. Yeah, 1.4 for 1.4 transmit. But it's still big. I want small number. Negative 1. Negative 1 is perfect. 1.5. Why negative 1 is good? Negative 1 plus 4 is negative 3. 3, right? You see? 3 and 3, you can make the fraction gone. Yeah? You will see. If you don't still don't understand what's happening, I will show you. I chose negative 1. Why? Let's plug in here. And then plug in negative 1 here. Negative 1 plus 4 square plus 3. Negative 1 plus 4 is, what is it? 3, right? 3 square is 9. Okay? 1 over 3 times 9. That's when you should divide by 3. What is 9 divided by 3? 3. And 3 minus 3 is, you see, there's no fraction, there's no negative. You see that? So again, if you see the fraction, you want to choose wisely the number of the x so that this can divide by that function. Yeah? Yeah? Any question? All right, let me just graph them and then you can check. Negative 1, 0. Let's do this. Negative 1, 0 right here. So 1, 2, 3. Back over here. 1, 2, 3. This one. That is around. Okay. Y equals to 1/3. X plus 4 square minus 3. Okay, now you get the picture. Any question? Yes. No, that one more. That's it. Yeah? Are we good? Do you know why I chose negative 1? Guess you want to say it again? Why I chose negative 1? Guess you want to say it again? I don't know. Hope to be more precise, we chose this negative 1 because the inside parenthesis going to give you some number that can divide by 3. Because we want the fraction to be gone. We want it 1/3 to be gone. Yeah? Are we doing good over there? Yeah? All right. Last one. No wrapping. Last one is just the same thing like last lesson. On your homework, you will have some questions. Tell whether you have a maximum, minimum. Remember that? If you did homework, you remember that. So I'm just showing you how to do that again. That's it. That's the last one. All right. So number 6. Okay, you do something like this. Okay. So whether the functions is minimum or maximum. By that value. Oh, wrapping. Okay. Do you remember these questions? Do you remember the question on the homework? Yeah. Do you need to wrap for this? No, right? How can you tell if the function has maximum or minimum? What did you do? What you need to do? Yeah, Ramon, what is this? How can you tell if the function is maximum? Okay, Matthew, so you want to do what? A, right? A here is negative 1/3. Is it negative or positive? Negative, right? So is it downward or upward? Downward. Okay, downward, do you have maximum or minimum? Maximum. Very good. Downward, look like this. That's why the vertex would be maximum. Okay, so that's the answer for number 8. Function will have the maximum. Okay, that the function has maximum. Okay, how do you answer to B? You need to find it. Question: is it the x value or y value? X, x or y? Raise your hand. Y value, right? If you don't know why, because here, okay, when they're asking you for the maximum value, that's mean the highest point. The highest or lowest will depend on the y value, right? This right here. Look at here. You don't look at the x value right here. It doesn't mean anything. Okay. So when they're asking you for maximum or minimum value, they're asking about the y vertex. Okay. What is the y vertex of this? All right. All right. Another one. Okay. What is the vertex here? What is the vertex? All right, Jose, what's this? -63 and 1. So what is your answer for this part B? What is your answer? 21. Y value, y vertex, remember? So you need to, okay, if you stop right here and just give me the vertex, I'm gonna get hung up. Because show me you didn't understand what they asked you. You just give me the vertex. So you need to give to me the y vertex, okay? Y. So you can say the maximum value is 21. Yeah? That's how I know you understand it. Because when you look at the graph, the highest point on or in the order set the lowest point is about a y value. Yeah? Yeah, let me wrap it and see it. Okay. Like this one, the highest point or lowest point is about y value. Y value. Y vertex. Okay, not x vertex. Okay? Yeah? Remember to give me this. You just give me the vertex because this doesn't show me you understand the question. Now, last question for the day. That's it. I will promise. This is the last question. If you answer this right, you probably give one. Okay? Huh? This one? Yeah. Oh, I'm just showing you that's the vertex. Like, the highest point, the maximum value is the vertex, and that is the y value. It's corresponding to the y value. Right? That is my point. You look at the y value, not the x value, not this one. So this is my next question. In one question, you need to answer me the x vertex. In which question I ask you, you need to give me the x vertex. Oh, very good. Good job. One more movement. Yes. When I ask you, what is AOS? Now this is about the x vertex. Okay. You need to give the x vertex. What is x vertex? X equal to -63. Okay. Are we good? Think I'll give you this. You can answer this. Yeah. What is the no? What is the AOS to give me the x vertex? What is the maximum or minimum to give me the y vertex? It makes sense. If you look at the picture, it makes sense. Because the y vertex is about the highest or lowest, right? And the AOS is about the x value. It makes sense. You don't need to memorize it. Yeah? All right, good job, guys. You have the rest is yours. Okay? I'm gonna give you the homework and then